Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF. It's the shooting brake estate portfolio, top of the range in beautiful metallic blue. It's got all the extras: front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, absolutely huge boot, I'll show you in a minute, rear park distance control, twin exhausts. It's not even been valeted yet, it's just been washed off. Just arrived into stock. Electric tailgate, absolutely huge boot with parcel shelf in lovely condition. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Starts up great. All the air vents work. It's got the reverse parking camera, Meridian sound system. Just get it up. Got the satellite navigation. Different driving styles: eco, rain, ice, snow, individual. Bluetooth connectivity. DAB radio. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Plugs and a USB. Really is fully loaded. Sounds lovely and quiet. Lovely comprehensive service history on the car. It's been very well looked after. These don't last long being really proper estates. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.